Throughout this week, I've made mention how some of these steps prep us for future work. One of the families of tap that we talk about would be pullbacks. They sometimes go by other terms, and I'll get to that later in a future video. But they are a step that requires really intricate footwork, and you need to have your nerve taps down fairly well in order to be able to execute them. You need to have your ankles and the ball of your foot really able to contract and release and be well isolated. And that doesn't just happen. So your drawbacks, your Cincinnatis, things of that nature set you up to train your foot so it is ready to withstand your pullbacks and even your wings to a certain degree, so you can execute them safely and with accuracy. I will see you tomorrow.